Hey guys, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to use split screen or multi-screen features in your device Infinix Smart 7 HD. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video.